Alright, truck man, look here, look here. Pine pan the mouth them, pine pan the mouth them. Touch the mouth them and show them, man. Ah, look. See there? And look over there, sir. See there. So you get it where you want it,
I them bowl in a fix good, just shoot it.
Know yourself, man.
How about that,
bill with more adjustment have to make, man.
I tell the truck a bill.
Bridget, the man them want to see progress. The bill, the man them want to be like one like this.
The truck is billing like great, man.
Yeah, man.
It's great, man. It's billing the truck.
Alright. See, don't trust it there. Up it up, so don't double up already now. See? See, Farcliffe, I roll up the engine here already. So I land it to and land it now. So on the bearings it out already. Check bearings. And bearings. Alright. When we put up engine, we don't put up engine, so now because it's a brand new second hand. You make sure we run through it and then it want bearings. Bearings it. So when we start it, the high pressure must fly up in the sky. That we like see. See? So look again. You tell them to say how well it work, man. I don't know simple 1, 2, man. A whole heap of work truck, man. See, so most man try to avoid them project here. But look how the truck nice. Look how the truck nice, a 26 foot. And you can put on another axle and make it 10-wheeler. I don't know have a big engine already. So nothing can stop it now. Muffler done painting in the sky. By air cleaner. Eh? Yeah. You have to nice up that truck here, man. See, so we don't know a spec already. Yeah? So, see it, man. We are going it step by step, man. So we pull off tank again, strip off the chassis. See? So you go along, you have to adjust up something, you know. Alright, who are the people that want to work on the back end? Big something like that, big back. Look at the pumpkin. Eh? A melon that. Alright, so see it. So anytime that ice again and put over there, so you gone in and gone bolt up. So you know, so wiring left. I'm going to set the gear stick. Voila, fabricator. Tell the boy gear stick now. What else to put on gear stick practice now? Alright. Gear stick gonna come from over here, sir.
Oh, we have a gear stick already.
It all drop here, sir, right? Anyway, we're not gonna tell you now. We're not gonna shut down on the seat. We just shut the work I want to see it. But you have a gear stick already? On a bomber, it's set up already. Alright.
Check around this, to see one thing. Black shaft.
We know what we don't say black shaft, but we know it's good. We know it's good. So when you say you want step by step progress, alright, sit there. So when you ice up again and go back in there, so you now come out back. I ain't there to turn. Alright, truck man, who can read? Tell me about that. That's a Leyland, right? Alright, now tell me if it's a cat this. Is this a cat? Right? Look. Is this a cat? Sure it is. Of course it is. Alright, come. See the progress or no. Alright. So engine land in a truck. So still a line up. Look, let's see no bolt. Let's take this bolt up. Alright. That bolt. So where does I go bolt to? Gearbox plug up. So I left now muffler system. See gear stick. See gear stick there. See there? So I'm gonna build one gear stick mount. Oh yes sir, that's an engineer. Sandbar same man name. That door engineer. Alright. Watch the muffler system. Sandbox build that, you know. Well, Sandbox and team are welder. See? When you say tool dash out a ground, man, you must know the truck at work, man. Where they go on? Yeah. You crank him over? In there? Or out the door?
Out the door, man. If you crank out the door and you can crank it.
Alright. So, gear stick line up back. And muffler set up in a ear. Yeah. See, and ear key now. You know, not drop by the body. Yeah, man. Alright. So, when we are driving out here? I mean, boss, if you test driving. Don't tell me when, and next week, man, himself going to test drive it.
Anything is there, sir.
Alright.
Anything is there, sir.
So, you see it that truck, man.
You see?
No, I tell the truck man, I say, see it there? It's a C12 cat in a Leyland freighter chassis. Alright, so another update. So, like up the video now, man. Yeah, make it thing shot. Yeah, man. Bolo load pan truck. Cause the truck nice. I want a truck, man. I want this. No, when I say no, when I see that truck on the road, I don't want to test it, because if you test it and you will run it down and kill it, you don't have to pay. Because you know, so I cat that, so cat I go burn some oil, and I like when I Leyland, you know, so I burn the whole oil. So if you see it on the road and run it down, I'm end up having to kill it, you don't have to pay. So just bear that in mind. Anyway, I load pan truck. Man, you see in my earlier days, I run truck. You know, brethren is a power. We used to do truck hopping. You understand? Truck hopping, and we are jump from truck to truck to truck to truck to truck to truck. Basically, like a frog then. Nothing now go on this, so we go over this, so nothing now go on this, so we go over this, so yeah. You understand? So basically, I rough you have money as well. If not no work, you have to move, or the truck broke down, you can't fix it, you have to move, or you and them can't agree, you have to move, you and the man wife can't agree. Something. So you move along. So, you're not general, you know. And them are part for years. So anyway, truck them, they will know more. I say, you want truck up this, I want that driver. More of them a driver truck already, but the money don't do so better. Him left America and go up there. You understand? Him, we've been around. You understand? I wonder which one of the truck man will tell me, say no, say, Uno never used to do the truck hopping thing. Uno never used to jump from truck to truck to truck. Uno never used to work with Zugi and Henry and Port Service and everybody with one truck. Yeah, man, you used to do that one like that. Give me a lot of thanks for that. So, you know, say, last place we ever run truck. Left tank could never run my one truck. Alright, truck man, listen to what I go on now, truck man. Grab snow and the bridge up, right? I'm telling you now. Anyway, I truck work there now. Right in the early 2000s, me want me I go to bigger truck now, because we used to run to a small truck. Where you go foot cargo, them truck the Isuzu, the bigger Isuzu them. Yeah. Someone upgrade now, so a 9200 they run a half. Want a driver. Perhaps I'm going to the man, you know, and fail. Because I'm going to the truck man. You go see 5 speed with a super 10. Then the time that you know a super 10 in him. My brother come tell me say a super 10. Because I know. We're going to go see the diagram pan thing. 5. But it have, you know, it's nice circle and have slash. So me I know so bam put now 1 and click a button and get 2. Then me never know them thing. Me never know about super 10. So I move a gear stick in a 5 position, but you get 10 gear for that. Alright. So I go there and go drive a truck and feel, because I'm send one driver come test me. And the driver there see the man. Yo! Go still. Alright. The man come test me and say, Virgin, you can't drive a truck. They say the man sit down side of me. I mean, I say, you know, somebody know the gear back so much. All the man have say, no man, you wear the road boy. Click the button so. When you go to bam 1, click the button, you get 2. Drop by the button now. J. Shoot you get 3. Click by the button, you get 4. Drop by the button, 5. Click. Oh, and that the man will show me. The man said, no, you can't drive. The man said, turn back the truck. And my fact, the man said, pull over yourself. And the man take the truck from me and drive the truck go back a yard and go in the office. And then I see the boss come out and say, young man, you say you can't drive the truck. I say, yeah man, but I know all the box. And he said, no, this truck is the 2001. And I can't give it to you if you cannot angle it. No. See? So I said, no, you can't have anything. You can't man this truck here. But I have a smaller truck coming, but I don't really fit. I'll call you. Just leave a number in the office. You know them that style like that. Disappointed down in the truck, man. Go to Marcus Garvey drive this up. We get on a bus to go Portmore. I'm looking to see one trailer see so. Papa tell the man pull up on my foot. I'm looking at my bridge in there. I'm saying, where I go on? I'm looking at the man drive one load of cement. The man drive trailer now. And the only man, truck man, we can tell him drive every truck in Jamaica. The man is supposed to drive everybody truck. That me I tell you, you will see the man in a thick trail. Now me see a trailer. You see the man with last time, you see the man in a bulk sink, a bulk tank. Then he drive straight truck. Then when work that go on the north coast, then we put hotel bill down the side them there. See, he might drive one 12-wheeler. The man drive every truck and the man know alright. And I may tell you the man there, truck man in the truck man. And the man know every gearbox. Every gearbox. You just give the last gearbox, I see the man with. I see the man goes to 1, 2, 3, and then he goes and come back round and so and get 4 and goes to 5. I'm saying, I'm not understand see the gearbox. Say, yo. Yeah. Anyway, moving on now, truck man. Perhaps now, fast forward truck man. Fast forward truck man. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, pick me up there so and show me I do not just follow him and him show me how to drive and give me a drive or 5 or reach a whole harbour. I'm gonna catch it and go on. I'm gonna go to with go me pen alone cement in that. I'm just follow him going on. I'm the one on this too. I'm a bridge, so come in now and perhaps now. So before me get to work at Tankolin. See? Perhaps now still do look at truck up and make me get another work. I mean, come on, truck up in from there to there to there. Till me land the job at Tankolin, and you know, so I did that for long. So fast forward now to 2013 now, truck man. Listen to party at truck man. By the Leyland truck man, I'm gonna get the first, no, it was the second country work. And the first country work I did to get with the Leyland was we got Portland. I get the second country work now. We got a place in Cross Keys in a Manchester. I carry down some tile from active traders. Then truck man. We stop at one bar out a whole harbour road. So. What's the name? Where the chicken place them, or what's the name? They're trying to go on as best dressed places. Oh, that's all. That the part there. What's the name? Do you remember what's the name? Alright. See, going to a bar, truck man. When I'm going to a bar, I man, me see. Guess him all this time. He might have a cement ball tank. Alright, I'm seeing him. I'm glad to see him because long time I don't see him. I would put my bit and yeah, you there. I'm just glad to see my brethren, man. So I'm sure I'm truck now. I'm saying, you know, so I buy one truck. No, I tell him, say, I buy one truck, man. Tell him, man, say, I buy a truck, man. Eh? Tell him this truck, man. And the man say, what you say? I say, I buy a truck, man. The man look at me and say, you blood clot, eat that? Where you do I buy a truck? You eat that? You look at my truck, me drive. You say, I buy a truck? I don't want a truck, road boy. You eat that, you can buy a truck. You know truck who? You know see that the man there truck and can't buy tire. That the man the truck broke down at their garage how long till him have to scrap out and sell it. That the man there, that man a drink. See that the man there have a mortgage, he wants to buy truck. And the man just start give it to me, brother. The man make me feel like weird, brethren. The man make me feel like say a wrong thing me go do, brother. Truck man, see more while I do your thing, truck man. Just do your thing, truck man, and believe in yourself. Cause more while you better tell someone the thing and the man just. You know, the man play a mind game for me, that's a truck man. But me I look into myself now. Truck man, I say the man, that's it, cause the man take up him drinks, the man drinks some rum, truck man. The man drinks some rum. And the man done cuss me, the man take up him rum, so when I long glass. Them time that the glass, them still put it in before them start putting a plastic cup. And the man goes so, and the man look for me so. The man they turn so, and the man look for me sideways, and the man says so. drink off the whole of him rum, dude. Was one go. And just look and still see so. Put on him in glass up by the counter. See? And I still look for me. And the man go in and pocket. Take up a big bundle of money, last it and Kyle. And shoot back that one and take up one bad. Last it and Kyle see me. This one will be $1,000. And the man goes up. Shoot and papa about 5 piece. And give bartender say hold that. And put the bam and girl and say hold that girl that for you. And the man I said, shoot off another grand gear and say, yo, anything my drink. And the man lift up out of the bar, truck man, that. The man step out of the bar. The man say, yo, me a go in. Then, because I show the man say, yo, I lean and go buy. The man I said, that you go buy? I suck him, the man turn the drink I made. Truck man. When me show the man say, we go buy a Leyland. The man turn the drink I'm head. Till he done. And the man I say, me a idiot. Me can't go buy a Leyland. The man I say, you didn't say you go buy a truck. You go buy a Leyland. That time I just jump and I say, I don't see nothing knowing. I say, make him talk better. And I drink my beer. And the man just say, anyway. The man pay him bill, brethren. I lift up out of the bar. When the man lift up out of the bar, truck man. When I see the man, me born at 2 years. Next thing I see the man on Facebook. Call me truck man, the man they are foreign. Follow me part to the part 2 truck man. I'm going to go to the part 2.